With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So our question is, if omega is a cube root of unity, then find the value of sine omega to the power 10 plus omega to the power 23 into pi minus pi by 4. Now, if omega is what cube root of unity, that what we can say that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Okay, and we can say omega cube is equal to 1. Okay, now if we further solve this, so omega plus omega square is equal to what? Minus of 1. Now, this omega to the power 10 can be written as what? This can be written as what? Omega cube to the power what? 3. So this becomes what? Omega to the power 9, and we left with what? Omega plus this is what? Omega cube to the power what? 7. So this becomes 21, and so you will left with what? Omega square. We know the value of omega cube is equal to what? 1, and the 1 cube is equal to what? 1. That means what? Omega. And similarly here is 1 into omega square, that is equal to omega square. So basically what we get is sine into omega plus omega square into pi minus pi by 4. Okay, so if you observe this, so you get what actually? Omega plus omega square was minus 1, so this will be what actually? Sine, this is minus pi by 4. So this becomes what actually? Sine minus 3, sorry, this will be what? 5 pi by 4. Okay, this is 5 pi by 4. So we know one thing, that sine minus theta is equal to what? Minus of sine theta. So this will be what actually? Minus sine 5 pi by 4. Okay, so this becomes what actually? This can be written as sine pi plus pi by 4, and we know that sine pi plus theta is equal to what? Minus of sine theta. That means this is what? This is minus, and this is what? Minus into sine pi by 4. So this will be what actually? This will be 1 upon root 2. Okay, so our correct option is what? Option 3, which is 1 upon root 2. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.